Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to show you in this video how to set up the SolidWorks title block so you can get started on Lab 6. So first thing I want you to do, and actually there's two ways to access this. One is in the content section under Lab 6. You can go ahead and download this SLD DRT file. That's this SLD DRT, that is the format, the file type format for SolidWorks title blocks. So you can download this here. Alternatively, you already have access to it in your CAD 154 course folder. I already have it right here. So just keep a window with this up. I think this is probably the best way to do it since you already have it saved in the right location. And just kind of move this off to the side and we will use it here in just a few minutes. So open up SolidWorks. And it may actually be easier to do this after you've already drafted one of your parts, because the easiest way to set up the title block is to have a part, click File, and Make Drawing from Part. And that will bring up this screen right here. So I already have a number of title blocks in here. However, I've deleted my hack title blocks so that I can show you. So these are custom title blocks that I have for myself and a couple of my clients that I've created for them and that I use for them. So we are going to add our hack title block so that it's accessible right in this window, so that every single time you use your hack title block or every time you plot a part, you have access to it right away. So we're going to click Browse. And now that will bring up this folder in the C drive, program data, SolidWorks 22, whatever year you have installed. I have 22 installed, Lang, English, and sheet format. So right here, you can see, so like these match what we have down here. And this is where SolidWorks looks for all of its sheet formats options. So what we can do, we have our other little window open here. Oops, let me pull that back up. And all we have to do is take this title block, drag it into this window. Boom, it pops right up right there. And we can click open, but now that it's in here, let's just close it because I want to show you. So now it's not going to show up in here. So you can just browse again. And next time it will, so you can just click in here and I'll show you that. But when you browse, boom, you can just click open. And click OK. And there we go. Now we have it. And I'll show you this in the Lab 1, or I'm sorry, the Lab 6 Sheet 1 video, but you can then, drop in your model just like that. A lot easier than AutoCAD once you have the model drafted. Okay, so I'm going to close this drawing without saving just to show that when you make drawing from part in the future, you won't have to go into that browse menu. So we're just going to make a drawing from part. Also, if you don't have the drawing, your part saved yet, it will prompt you to save before it allows you to create a drawing. So yeah, so now all we have to do is click on CAD 154 title block, click OK. And there it is, and it gives you options to drag some views in. All right, I'll see you in the next video.